Hi everyone! Welcome back to City's Simple DIY. Today, we will be making our very own custom and unique countdown until block set. This is a simple, fun, and easy project to do, and it can be reused for any occasion. So without further ado, let's get started. These are the materials that you'll need. You can check the description of this video for links to some of the needed supplies. 2 2.5-inch wooden blocks, a wooden box and a wooden chest box big enough to fit both cubes. You can also use other types of boxes like small gift boxes if you prefer. I've provided links to those in the description as well. Several pieces of cardboard paper, 2 paintbrushes, acrylic paint. You can pick whatever colors you like, but I chose white and brown. White glue, scissors, a ruler, dry eraser pens, clear dry eraser contact paper, self-adhesive dots, number and letter stickers, and an assortment of stickers. We want to insert a folded piece of cardboard inside the wooden box so that the 2 cubes and folded cardboard fit perfectly inside and filled the box completely. To do that, we will first need to take some measurements. We'll measure the depth of the wooden box and the width inside the box. Cut a folded piece of cardboard so it fits in the box nicely like so. Once the cardboard is inserted, ensure that you can slide the 2 wooden cubes inside. If it's too tight, just adjust the pieces as needed. With some help from my little assistant, we managed to do this successfully. Now, my little helper will paint the wooden boxes, wooden chest, cardboard, and cubes a beige color with the acrylic paint. Once done, leave them out to dry for about 10 minutes or so. Once the wooden blocks are dry, you can stick the number stickers on the blocks. Listed here are the numbers you will need to stick on each cube. You might notice that there is no 9 here, and that's because you can turn the 6 upside down to get 9. Now you can stick the numbers on the wooden cubes. Again, I'll require some help from my little assistant for this. Next, using small letter stickers, we'll stick the words Days Until on the side of the folded cardboard. If you prefer to write the words, you can do that too, but my handwriting isn't the best, so letter stickers helps a lot in my case. Moving on, cut out a rectangular piece of the clear dry erase contact paper so it fits below the opening of the chest box. Stick it on the chest box like so. So now, you can write anything you want on the bottom of the chest box with a dry eraser pen. And erase it. How cool is that? Now you can see how it looks when assembled. So these are the decorative stickers we'll be using a little later. For now, cut the cardboard to make an easel card, as shown. You can make a stand at the back and paint the easel white, but I happen to have this mini easel, so I'll be using that instead. Apply adhesive dots to the bottom of the stand and apply corresponding dots to the surface of the wooden box. Add adhesive dots to the stickers you plan to use. Lastly, stick an adhesive dot in the middle of the easel. We can assemble the countdown box set and admire the final product. Thank you for watching! Please remember to like and subscribe for more City Simple DIY ideas. Thank you!